Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Creve Coeur Airport. I hear they have a historic aircraft museum. Let's go check it out. All right, so this plane was in the Great Waldo Pepper movie. They're kind of crammed in here. Should I put these loud? All right, let's duck under. This one's a mail plane. Look at this exhaust.
Watch some taxiing around or something.
Oh.
One second.
Wow, that's an old engine. It's pretty neat in here. It's quiet. What kind is this? Let me get a little closer. Didn't expect to see a Cushman.
Yeah.
It's good.
I was just in building 4, now I'm in building 1. I'm starting over. They got some old cars in here too. That's different. USA. Oh, that's cool. Pretty wild. It's too quiet in here. Oh, remember that one we seen earlier? It was orange in color? You can see the inside here. Look how much wood they put in here. So cool. Very, I'd say retro, but that's just the way it was. Looks like they got a Model T over here. Probably a parade car. That's nice. Even have some old arcade games. Look at this. Try your skills flying a helicopter. Shooting game. Oh, that's a nice looking old motorcycle. Don't know. Must be a Harley. Got paint splattered on it. That's a real bummer. Look at these old engines. Wow. That's pretty wild. You can sell treats too. Let's see where. Oh, whoa. Is this a passenger plane? Bennett Air Transport in Boise. So I'm thinking the pilot's here. But in here, there's also seating. So the most important guy is freezing his butt off. Well, in the winter. Summertime, he's probably quite comfortable. It's pretty cool. So, there's a radiator. It's interesting how the pilot always flies in the back. This is mostly for passengers. Although it might have flying controls. No gauges. Don't know what brand this is. Oh, they got a little calling on there. Do you like to get a close look at those engines? Oh, it's because you don't see that normally. The air circus. Well, that's something. So what? Okay, so the exhaust comes out there. Let's go walk around. So I'd say it's safe to say this plane has been upside down. Done some spirals, do loops. Okay, off to building number 2. Nice looking metal there. Oh wow, this is nice. So this one's built in St. Louis. Since we're over here, we'll take a quick peek at this one. Wait a minute. This one folds up. This one's a pusher. This Argentina plane? Pacific Air Transport Airmail. Oh, the compass is way up there. Isn't it? Oh, we can look at the specs on this engine. Coming. We got a wee little bitty plane here. Here's your doors. Oh, it's pretty cramped back up here. Okay. Look at this one. And this one I would assume is a pontoon. Oh, I would assume, right? It says Soviet amphibian. One of 3 known to exist. So this is pretty rare. Let's walk around. That's pretty cool. Let's see what the inside looks like. Alright. I wonder if they're still fighting with these. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look, here's the inside of one. That's pretty wild. Looks like a genuine barn find. 1927 Driggs Dart 2. Take a look at the front. Let's see here. I guess since we're standing here, but look at this one. This is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. This is a neat little museum. It's pretty cool. I'll buy myself again. It's a 1929 Fairchild. Okay, let's look inside here first. Look. Get a duck. Okay. Let's check out this one. It's got a lot of signs out front. It must be interesting. Okay, so it was a restoration. That's cool. Model Sport. Oh, here's some specs on it. Okay, let's go check out Building 3. Work my way out of here. Well, this is kind of interesting. Wow, that's a tight fit. Which is this? This is a, All right, we're in building 3. That's interesting. So, see, I can show you here. Can't quite see it. That real big one back here, the world's largest biplane. We're checking out later. Let's see here. Whoa, this one's. Okay, let's go walk around. It's almost too big. This one's experimental. Whoa, the plane's looking bigger as we get closer to it. I'm a little too close on this one. Here we go. This is a 1937 rear wing Sportster. I think a lot of these aircraft are experimental in this hangar. That one definitely looks experimental. Wow, this one is big. There, the wide angle lens. I forgot what model number he said this was. We can see inside. That's pretty cool. It's so big, even wide angle's not wide enough. All right. This was experimental. We'll have to go outside and watch some planes take off. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye. That wasn't the best landing. Must be a student.